Hey everybody, here we are for the Daddy and Luca cooking show. This is the third one we're going to do today.
Or you could just say volume 3.
Oh, volume 3, right.
So today we're making a
frittata, yep.
frittata.
And we're going to make it with potato, ham, some cooked onions, and the eggs.
And the eggs.
Right, now in here we got 10 eggs, we got a splash of milk, some salt, pepper, and grated cheese. So we're going to beat that up.
Yep. Oh my god.
Now why don't you beat that for a minute? There you go. Yeah, get that all, easy. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to stir it.
Alright, let me show you how. Up and down like this.
Okay.
Side to side. There you go. Alright, so that's all good. In the meantime, we got our frittata pan here. We got it all heating up with some olive oil in it. If you don't have a frittata pan, you can use a cast iron pan and do it in the oven. Alright, so what we're going to do first is take our onions.
Yep, and assistant Luca will help.
And Luca will dump half of those, not all, half.
Can you hold it for me?
There we go. Okay, there we go. Good. Now, stir those up. What?
Can I say something?
Go ahead, say whatever you want.
So, if you have a kid at home and they're trying to dump the onions in, and they don't know how to dump half of them in, you or another grown-up can help dump it in.
That's a good idea. That's what we did, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we got these potatoes that I boiled up and cut up earlier. These are some red potatoes, and those are some red onions that I fried up a little earlier, just to get them ready. You want to put them in the pan like this? Yeah.
Then why are they called red onions if they're purple?
You got me, kid. I have no idea. Why don't you find out and tell me?
I have no idea.
Alright then. Nobody knows. Alright, now we got some diced ham here.
Yep.
Gotta put half of this in.
I'll hold it in.
You hold it, I'll put it in.
Ooh, that's
Careful.
good.
Yeah. See, you gotta be careful. It's hot here.
No, I didn't touch it. I think you accidentally put it me too close, and then I touched it.
Oh boy, what am I gonna do? Send the child welfare after me or something? You know? Alright, so we got that in there. We got our potato, onion, and ham. Cook it up in the frittata pan. Luca's making a mess here, but he's alright.
Because my hand hurted.
Yeah. Alright, now we get these eggs all beat up and ready to go.
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna pour it right over the top. Let me do it. Let me do this part because it can get messy. Pour it right in there.
Yeah, and the eggs stop making. And when you pour the eggs in, it stops making that sound.
Yeah, that's right. So you can see what we got going in here. We got these eggs and all that other stuff in there. So we're gonna let it start to bubble up. Put the top on the pan for a minute.
And
Don't touch, it's hot.
And we'll just wait for a minute. And
Alright, so we're going to let that cook. We'll be back in a little bit. Alright, and we're back on the Daddy and Luca cooking show.
Volume 3.
That's right.
So we had it cooking for about 2 to 1 minute, and while we were letting it cook, we sprinkled some cheese.
Right, because we forgot to add the mild cheddar cheese, so we sprinkled that over the top.
Yep.
And now you can see that the pan is starting to bubble.
Yeah,
the eggs are starting to cook on the bottom. So what we're going to do now is we put the top of the frittata pan on.
And don't put it on the.
Then we get our oven mitts and grab it like this, right?
Yep. To be safe.
Let me do it. I don't want you to get burnt. In fact, back up a little bit, because sometimes the egg spills out of here. So you just clamp it like this, and you flip it right over.
Oh.
just like that.
Yeah.
Give it a little bang, let the eggs release. Take that top off and let's see if we're in business.
Yep.
We are in business. So now we're gonna put that cover back on.
And we'll let the other side cook.
And we'll let that side cook up.
Yep.
And
And in the meantime, we'll do something else.
yeah, so while we're doing something else, you guys take a break and we'll be back.
And
Alright, and we're back on the Daddy and Luca cooking show. This is my sidekick Luca. And we were doing the potato, onion, ham and cheese frittata. We let it cook a little bit on both sides, about 5 minutes on each side, and now it should be ready to go. So what we're gonna do now is take Luca's gonna back up so we don't burn him.
yep. And
Back up.
And we just have to put the plate in a perfect position
That's right.
there.
Now back up, and we're gonna flip that right into there. And look at that. That's beautiful. Isn't she beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now let's take a look.
See?
Let's cut it. See how the inside looks. Let's get a little plate if we can find one. Careful, that's really hot. And that's what it should look like on the inside. See,
Yeah.
that's delicious. Alright, you can make this with whatever vegetables or meat you have laying around. We just used what we had. So for Luca, this is Daddy, and this has been the Daddy and Luca Cooking Show.
Volume 3.
Alright,
And
bye.
bye.